Hey everyone, welcome back to Power Tool Review, your go-to channel for the latest and greatest in power tools. Today, we're diving into 17 new Ryobi power tools on Amazon that are perfect for DIYers, hobbyists, and pros alike. From drills and impact drivers to nailers and multi-tools, we've got the most exciting gear that'll upgrade your toolkit instantly. Before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other details. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest top product reviews. Let's jump right in and see what makes these tools so awesome.
Ryobi ONE+ Power Drill. The Ryobi ONE+ Power Drill is a versatile and reliable tool for both DIY enthusiasts and professionals. Featuring a compact design, it delivers excellent control and comfort during extended use. Its powerful motor ensures smooth drilling into wood, metal, and plastic surfaces, while the adjustable clutch prevents overdriving screws. This drill works seamlessly with Ryobi's ONE+ battery system, giving you flexibility and compatibility across multiple tools. Lightweight yet durable, it reduces hand fatigue and increases efficiency on any project. The integrated LED light illuminates dark workspaces, helping you work accurately even in tight spots. With its ergonomic grip and user-friendly features, this drill is perfect for everything from furniture assembly to home improvement tasks.
Ryobi ONE+ Cordless Impact. The Ryobi ONE+ Cordless Impact is built for serious driving power. Its brushless motor delivers high torque to handle even stubborn bolts and fasteners with ease. Lightweight and compact, this tool is perfect for tight spaces where standard drills can't reach. The variable speed trigger provides precise control, allowing you to adjust power depending on the task. It runs on the ONE+ battery system, so you can swap batteries with other Ryobi tools for seamless workflow. Built-in LED lighting ensures accurate work in dim areas, and its ergonomic design reduces fatigue during prolonged use. Whether you're tackling automotive projects or heavy-duty home repairs, this impact driver offers the perfect combination of strength, reliability, and convenience.
Ryobi ONE+ Brad Nailer. The Ryobi ONE+ Brad Nailer makes finishing projects faster and more precise. Ideal for trim, molding, or cabinetry work, it drives brads cleanly and consistently without splitting wood. Its lightweight, compact design allows you to work comfortably for hours, while the tool-free depth adjustment ensures perfect nail placement every time. Running on the ONE+ battery system, it's cordless, eliminating the hassle of cords and compressors. A jam release lever makes clearing stuck nails quick and easy, reducing downtime. The ergonomic grip enhances control and stability during operation. Perfect for both professionals and DIYers, this Brad Nailer combines speed, accuracy, and convenience, making it a must-have tool for any woodworking or home improvement project.
Ryobi ONE+ LED Flashlight. The Ryobi ONE+ LED flashlight is your ultimate portable lighting solution. Compact, durable, and powered by the ONE+ battery system, it provides bright, clear illumination for any project or emergency situation. Its adjustable head allows you to direct light exactly where you need it, while the long battery life ensures it won't let you down during extended use. Built from rugged materials, it's designed to withstand drops and rough handling. Lightweight and easy to carry, it's perfect for job sites, workshops, or even camping trips. With a simple on-off switch and user-friendly design, this flashlight delivers reliable performance whenever you need it. It's the perfect companion for all your power tools and nighttime projects. Ryobi 18V Mini Chainsaw. The Ryobi 18V Mini Chainsaw is a compact powerhouse for small cutting tasks. Lightweight and easy to handle, it's perfect for pruning trees, trimming branches, and tackling yard work efficiently. Its brushless motor delivers consistent power while reducing wear and extending battery life, and the compact design allows precise cuts in tight spaces. The tool-free chain tensioning system makes adjustments quick and hassle-free, keeping you productive. Running on the ONE+ battery system, you can swap batteries with other Ryobi tools for convenience. Safety features, including a hand guard and safety trigger, ensure secure operation. Perfect for homeowners and DIY enthusiasts, this mini chainsaw combines performance, portability, and reliability in one efficient tool. Ryobi One Plus Cordless PEX Tool. The Ryobi One Plus Cordless PEX tool simplifies plumbing tasks with its cordless design and powerful motor. Designed for reliable crimping of PEX fittings, it delivers consistent results every time, eliminating guesswork. Lightweight and compact, it's easy to maneuver in tight spaces under sinks or behind walls. The tool operates on the One Plus battery system, offering convenience and compatibility across other Ryobi tools. Its ergonomic handle reduces hand fatigue, allowing for extended use without discomfort. A built-in LED indicator shows battery status and ensures you know when it's time to recharge. Whether you're a professional plumber or a DIY enthusiast tackling home plumbing projects, this PEX tool is efficient, accurate, and extremely user-friendly. The Ryobi One Plus Impact Driver. The Ryobi One Plus Impact Driver is perfect for driving screws and bolts with incredible speed and precision. Its high-torque motor handles tough materials, from hardwoods to metal, effortlessly. The compact design makes it ideal for tight spaces, while the ergonomic grip ensures comfort during extended projects. Featuring a variable speed trigger, you can adjust power output for delicate or heavy-duty tasks. The built-in LED light improves visibility in dark corners, enhancing accuracy. Powered by the One Plus battery system, it's interchangeable with other Ryobi tools for ultimate convenience. Whether assembling furniture, building decks, or completing home repairs, this impact driver delivers efficiency, strength, and reliability in one compact, easy-to-use package. Ryobi One Plus Finish Nailer. The Ryobi One Plus Finish Nailer is perfect for professional quality woodworking and finishing work. Designed for trim, molding, and cabinetry, it drives nails flush with the surface for a smooth finish. Its lightweight, balanced design reduces hand fatigue during prolonged use, and the tool-free depth adjustment allows for precise nail placement. Cordless operation powered by the One Plus battery system eliminates the hassle of cords or compressors. A jam release lever makes clearing stuck nails simple and fast. The ergonomic grip ensures control and stability, while the compact size allows access to tight spaces. This finish nailer combines accuracy, speed, and convenience, making it an essential tool for homeowners and pros alike. Ryobi One Plus Crown Stapler. The Ryobi One Plus Crown Stapler is ideal for woodworking, upholstery, and general fastening tasks. It fires staples cleanly and consistently, ensuring professional results without damaging materials. Lightweight and ergonomic, it's comfortable to use for long periods, while the tool-free depth adjustment provides precise control. The cordless design, powered by the One Plus battery system, eliminates cords and compressors, giving you freedom of movement on any project. A jam release lever ensures quick and easy maintenance, keeping your workflow uninterrupted. Built with durability in mind, this stapler can handle frequent use without compromising performance. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional, it offers speed, accuracy, and reliability for all your stapling needs. Ryobi One Plus Compact Drill. The Ryobi One Plus Compact Drill is designed for portability and efficiency. Lightweight yet powerful, it delivers smooth performance for drilling and screw-driving tasks in wood, metal, and plastic. Its compact design allows access to tight spaces, while the ergonomic grip ensures comfortable handling. Variable speed control gives precise power for delicate or demanding tasks. Running on the One Plus battery system, it offers interchangeability with other Ryobi tools, making your workflow seamless. The built-in LED light illuminates dark work areas for accurate drilling every time. Durable and reliable, this compact drill is perfect for DIY enthusiasts and professionals looking for a versatile, easy-to-use tool that fits perfectly in any toolkit. Ryobi One Plus Airstrike Nailer. The Ryobi One Plus Airstrike Nailer is a game-changer for fast, cordless nailing. Eliminating the need for compressors or hoses, this tool drives nails quickly and accurately, perfect for framing, decking, or trim work. Its lightweight design reduces fatigue, making it easy to handle during extended projects.
The tool-free depth adjustment ensures precise nail placement every time, while the jam release lever allows quick clearing of stuck nails. Powered by the ONE+ battery system, it's compatible with other Ryobi tools for ultimate convenience. Built to last, the Airstrike nailer delivers consistent performance, speed, and efficiency. Whether you're a professional contractor or a DIY enthusiast, this nailer combines power, reliability, and mobility in one efficient package for all your woodworking and construction tasks.
Ryobi ONE+ Brushless Hammer. The Ryobi ONE+ brushless hammer is perfect for tough demolition and heavy-duty drilling tasks. Its brushless motor provides longer runtime, increased efficiency, and extended tool life compared to standard motors. Lightweight yet powerful, it delivers consistent hammering and drilling performance ideal for concrete, brick, and masonry projects. The ergonomic grip ensures comfort during prolonged use, and the variable speed trigger gives you precise control for delicate or demanding tasks. Running on the ONE+ battery system, it provides cordless convenience without sacrificing power. Built to withstand rigorous use, this hammer drill combines versatility, durability, and reliability. It's perfect for professionals and serious DIYers who need a dependable tool for both heavy-duty projects and everyday home improvements.
Ryobi ONE+ Power Inflator. The Ryobi ONE+ Power Inflator is an essential tool for home, workshop, or outdoor use. This compact and lightweight inflator quickly inflates tires, sports equipment, and air mattresses with ease. The built-in pressure gauge ensures accurate inflation, while multiple nozzle attachments provide versatility for different tasks. Powered by the ONE+ battery system, it offers cordless convenience, making it portable and easy to use anywhere. Its ergonomic design allows comfortable handling, and the durable build ensures long-lasting performance. Whether for cars, bikes, or recreational gear, this inflator saves time and effort compared to manual pumps. Compact, efficient, and reliable, the Ryobi Power Inflator is a must-have addition to any toolkit, ensuring you're always ready for emergencies or everyday inflating needs.
Ryobi ONE+ Oscillating Tool. The Ryobi ONE+ Oscillating Tool is a versatile multitasker for cutting, sanding, scraping, and grinding. Its oscillating motion provides precision and control in tight or awkward spaces, making it perfect for detailed work. Lightweight and compact, it's easy to maneuver without sacrificing power. The tool-free accessory change system allows quick swapping of blades, sanding pads, or attachments, keeping your workflow smooth and efficient. Running on the ONE+ battery system, it delivers cordless convenience and flexibility for a variety of projects. With an ergonomic grip and durable construction, this oscillating tool is ideal for DIY enthusiasts and professionals tackling renovations, repairs, or custom projects. It combines versatility, portability, and reliable performance in one powerful tool.
Ryobi ONE+ Multi-Tool. The Ryobi ONE+ Multi-Tool is the ultimate all-in-one solution for your workshop or home projects. It can sand, cut, scrape, and grind with incredible precision, making it ideal for woodworking, metalworking, or home repairs. Its compact and lightweight design allows easy handling, while the variable speed control ensures accurate operation on delicate or tough tasks. The tool-free accessory change system makes swapping attachments fast and hassle-free. Running on the ONE+ battery system, it offers the convenience of cordless operation while remaining compatible with other Ryobi tools. Built for durability, the multi-tool delivers consistent performance for extended periods. Whether you're a professional or DIY enthusiast, it's a versatile, efficient, and reliable addition to your toolkit.
Ryobi ONE+ Power Drill. The Ryobi ONE+ Power Drill is a compact and dependable solution for drilling and screw driving. Its powerful motor ensures smooth operation on wood, metal, and plastic, while the adjustable clutch prevents overdriving screws and damaging materials. Lightweight design and ergonomic grip provide comfort during extended use, reducing hand fatigue. Variable speed control allows precision for delicate tasks and full power for heavier jobs. Running on the ONE+ battery system, it offers flexibility and convenience with interchangeable batteries across Ryobi tools. The built-in LED light illuminates work areas, ensuring accurate drilling even in dim spaces. Perfect for both professionals and DIYers, this drill combines power, versatility, and ease of use in a compact and reliable tool.
Ryobi One Plus Grease Gun. The Ryobi One Plus Grease Gun makes lubrication tasks faster, cleaner, and easier. Ideal for automotive, farm, or machinery maintenance, it delivers consistent grease flow without manual effort. Its cordless design, powered by the One Plus battery system, offers portability and flexibility, eliminating the hassle of cords or manual pumping. The ergonomic handle provides comfort and control, reducing fatigue during repetitive tasks. With a durable construction, this grease gun ensures long-lasting performance and reliability. The precision nozzle allows access to tight or hard-to-reach fittings, preventing messes and ensuring proper lubrication. Perfect for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts, it combines efficiency, convenience, and power, making it an essential tool for keeping equipment and vehicles running smoothly.
That wraps up our review of the 17 new Ryobi power tools on Amazon. Each of these tools brings unique features, convenience, and performance that make tackling projects easier and more enjoyable. From drills and impact drivers to nailers and multi-tools, Ryobi continues to innovate and provide solutions for every DIYer and professional. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and share it with your friends. And remember, check the link in the description for prices and more details. Subscribe to Power Tool Review for more honest, fun, and informative product reviews every week.